name is Monica Evers, and I'm a patient of Dr. Kenkel. Choosing healthcare is such a personal and very important decision, and one of the things that was most important to me was not only the fact of his many accolades and his clinical experience and the patient experience of his clinical outcomes, but it was how he engaged patients and what folks told me about how personable he was, not only him but his staff. How helpful he was at addressing any questions that you may have, how helpful he was at maybe pointing out questions that weren't asked. And so because of that, I went to Dr. Kenkel, and it was like finding utopia or eureka, because it's everything all in one, and I couldn't believe it. But not only was he associated with one of the most world-renowned medical academic facilities, he had many accolades to his name. He was board certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery, specialized in plastic surgery, and had numerous great clinical outcomes with all of his patients, and the patient satisfaction was just through the roof. So with that in mind, I couldn't think of anything more that I needed, and meeting with him just made everything seem to fit in place and made my decision much easier to move forward with the procedure that I had, which was a breast lift without augmentation, and also a cesarean scar removal. It was amazing all around. Yes, I am in the healthcare field. I've worked in the healthcare field for many, many years. I'm in my 40s now, and when it comes to evaluating physicians and evaluating what might be best for my personal needs, I'd like to think that I'm a little bit of a subject matter expert, but when it comes to something that's elective and something you're choosing, sometimes you feel a little bit out of your lane. And I'm thankful I was able to use my previous healthcare experience to help me address the right questions, but I was also thankful that I had someone who's a leader at what I know to be a world-renowned leader in academic medical facility to help guide my way and guide my decision. Dr. Kenkel is phenomenally good at getting to the crux of what you would like to have addressed. He's really good at being able to address questions that you have. He does well at listening, which is most important. Never interjects his own opinion unless he feels as if it's going to affect your clinical outcomes. Truly believe that it's what you want as a patient, and as long as he can deliver the best clinical outcomes, he'll be great with it. He'll be good with it. And his staff, I couldn't speak any higher of any staff I've ever seen. Everybody's friendly at the office. You're greeted promptly. You're taken into your evaluation rooms promptly. Your experience as far as your appointment is going to be very thorough, and it's going to be very succinct. And you're not going to waste any time waiting. He's actually undergone a few, the medical spa procedures, so he knows what he's telling you, and he knows what you would be feeling, and he knows how to guide you in your experience and what to, level set on what you can expect as far as recovery and everything. So he's the full package. It's amazing, staff and all. Dr. Kenkel, I'd personally like to thank you so much for taking so good care of me and addressing all the concerns that I had for my particular circumstances. And I really thank you, and I thank your staff for ensuring that I had the best experience all around, from start to finish, the full continuum. And because of that, I'm a longtime patient. I will be here. I will recommend you to anybody. I trust you with my family. I trust you with my friends. And we all here trust you with our lives. So we